Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about layers of vocal cord. So the layers of vocal cord are the epithelium, the lamina propria and the muscle layer. The lamina propria again may be divided into the superficial layer, the intermediate layer and the deep layer. So there are 5 layers of vocal cord: the epithelium, the superficial lamina propria, the intermediate lamina propria, deep part of lamina propria and the muscle layer. Now come to the epithelium. The epithelium on the superior and inferior aspect of the vocal cord is the respiratory epithelium, but the medial contact end of both vocal cord is lined by non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Now come to the superficial layer of the lamina propria. The superficial layer of lamina propria is known as Rinke's space. So from the name, you can guess that it is associated with the Rinke's edema. Yes, edema of this space, that is superficial layer of lamina propria or the Rinke's space, is known as Rinke's edema. The superficial layer contains gelatin, and this layer is responsible for the mucosal waveform formation of the vocal cord movement. The lining epithelium and the superficial layer of lamina propria together forms the cover, and they move smoothly over the other 3 layers. The intermediate layer contains elastin, and the deep layer of lamina propria contains collagen. These 2 layers together forms the vocal ligament. Then come to the muscle layer. The muscle layer is formed by vocalis muscle. It lies lateral and deep. And this vocalis muscle is actually the medial fibers of the thyroarytenoid muscle. So the first 2 layers forms the cover, then the third and fourth layer forms the ligament. The cover, ligament and the muscle layer. The muscle layer is called body. These are the vocal cord layers. I think it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.